Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, narrated and interpreted by Wendy. 3rd Jukhanan, 3rd John. Chapter 1. The elder to the well-beloved Gaius, whom I love in truth. Beloved, above all things, I wish that you may prosper and be in health, even as your soul prospers. For I rejoiced greatly when the brethren came and testified of the truth that is in you, even as you walk in the truth. I have no greater joy than to hear that my children walk in truth. Beloved, do faithfully whatever you do for the brethren and strangers, who will bear witness of your charity before the assembly, whom if you motivate on their divine journey, you will do good, because they went forth for the sake of his name, taking nothing from the nations. Therefore we ought to receive such, that we might be fellow helpers of the truth. I wrote to the assembly, but Diotrephes, who loves to have the preeminence among them, did not receive us. Therefore, if I come, I will remember the deeds that he did, prating against us with malicious words. Moreover, not content, nor does he himself receive the brethren. Also, he forbids those who want to do so, and removes them from the assembly. Beloved, do not follow that which is evil, but that which is good. He who does good is of Elohim, but he who does evil has not seen Elohim. Demetrius has a good report of everyone, and of the truth itself. Also, we bear record, and we know that our record is true. I have many things to write, but I will not write to you with ink and pen, but I trust that I will see you shortly, and we will speak face to face. Peace be to you. Our friends here greet you. Greet the friends there by name. The end. Thank you for listening to my interpretation, 3rd Jukhanan, 3rd John. I hope that you find my Bible series, Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, enlightening. The word of Yahweh is a treasure trove of mysteries. It's amazing what you'll discover when you read it with your eyes open. My name is Wendy, and you've been called out of darkness